Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. What do you mean, man? Where you going? Yo, where you going, man? Yo, come on! Get over here, man. Come on, you're gonna give me a second. Okay, check it out. This is my brother from Long Island, New York. He's gonna be running our division of Astral Auto Repairs. Now I know a lot of you think, you hear black people say, that's my brother, that's my brother. No. That's my biological brother. So he gonna be running the New York.
Stop.
Come on, man.
Stop it. Stop it right now.
Come on.
Stop it.
Oh.
I'm not doing that.
Come on, man.
Stop.
Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright. Check out that plate. That's New York. As I told you guys. What? Alright, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, I know you can't see it from back there, but see them stickers right there? This vehicle's from New York. As I told you guys, Astral Auto Repairs is expanding. We're expanding to Long Island, New York. And the person who's going to be running that division in New York, Long Island, is my brother Phil. Now, I know a lot of you people saying, a lot of black people say, that's my brother, that's my brother. This is my biological brother. So I'm going to let him introduce himself to you, and you're going to be seeing a lot of them.
How you doing? My name is Phil Barnes. I am currently in North Carolina, but I'm opening up a store, Astral Auto Repairs, in West Babylon, Long Island, New York. A company that's been in business for over 15 years, serving all the customers. And you know the motto is, if we can't repair it, nobody can. Well, let me tell you, if we can't repair it, nobody can. So come on down, give a call, hit up YouTube, call the number. I know you know the number to Astral Auto Repairs. Let's see if we ever fix something wrong with your car. All right, take it easy.
Alright, you see, you guys got that, right? So we're going to shut this down. We're going to expand everywhere. All you do-it-yourselfers out there, it's time for us to get together and put these shops out of business. These shops are overcharging people up at least $100 an hour. So we're going to put a dent in that little pocket. Alright? This is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. We can't repair it. Nobody can. Take it easy. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright. A promise is a promise. I told you guys. We're going to be, Astral Auto Repairs is going to be expanding. And now we're going to be expanding to West Babylon, Long Island, New York. That's right. You see this car right here? See them stickers? I know you people from New York know what that means. That's from New York. Me and my brother have been talking about it, working out the details. Now I know what you said, and a lot of black people say, yo, that's my brother, that's my brother. Nope, this is my biological brother. So we're going to be definitely putting it down in New York. All right, and without further ado, let me introduce you to him. Here's Phil. He's going to be the new manager of the Astral Auto Repairs, West Babylon.
How you doing? My name is Phil Barnes with Astral Enterprise in West Babylon, New York.
What do you mean Astral Enterprise? God dang it!
How you doing? My name is Phil Barnes from West Babylon, New York. For years, Astral Auto Repairs. How you doing? My name is Phil Barnes. Timothy Barnes, of course, from Rocky Mount, North Carolina, is currently running Astral Auto Repairs, and we have expanded it out to West Babylon now, West Babylon, Long Island. My name is Phil Barnes. He is my biological brother. We are taking care of vehicles now that will be fixed at a great rate and price for customers instead of getting ripped off from most of these major car dealers. You know our motto, if we can't repair it, no one can. Trust me with that. If we can't repair it, nobody can. So give a call down to Astral Auto Repairs, get your car fixed, get it serviced, get it looked at, and it will be worth your money and time. Thank you.
This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
How you doing, guys? Right now, I'm about to change a crankshaft sensor on a 2006 Dodge Ram. The car was losing power, wouldn't fully accelerate. The light was flashing off and on, the service engine light. So I want to go ahead and change the sensor. Now, if you look at the oil pan, straight up on the side of the oil pan, you'll see the sensors right here, the crankshaft sensor. You simply unplug the wire, and there's a 10mm bolt. You take that bolt out. I already loosened it up, so I'll go ahead and take this out. In 1 second here. There you go. Okay. There, I got the bolt out. Now I put the bolt down. Now here is the crankshaft sensor right here. Just pull this right out. All right, there you go. There you have the old one. And now we're gonna put in the new one. So, grab the new one. Open this up like this. Okay, excuse me for a minute. I'm gonna take this out. Nice and wrapped up in nice and some plastic here. There we go. Take this one out. In 1 second, I want to take this out of the bag, guys. Okay. Now we have the new sensor. Okay. What we're gonna do is just take the sensor and plug it, align the screw hole, and plug it right back in, like so. Okay. Get my nut. Screw my nut back in. Excuse me. There we go. Screw that back in. Get my 10mm ratchet and socket. And tighten this baby back up. You don't want to go too tight. You can definitely break that sensor. Just tight enough. Twist in there. Let me get it. There we go. Now it's catching. There we go. Good turn. There you go. We take our plug. Put our plug back on. It clamps on. There's a little notch right here on the plug that you squeeze together right here. And you squeeze that to pull it off. And then you just put it back on and let it click. There you go. That's clicked on. Okay. Get my mess out of here. Hold on for 1 second. Right back. Okay, we're back. I had to get myself from underneath that truck for a minute while holding this thing in place. Okay, so we put it back on. Let me move this stuff over. There we go. Keys. That's great. I don't even know what my keys are. Oh, here they go. Okay. So like I said, changed the crankshaft position sensor in a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi. Okay, get back in here and see if that service engine light is flashing again. Okay, now let's see here. The light's going to be on, but my concern is it flashing? That's my concern. Let's see here. And we have liftoff. We have full power. Well, that's how you change the crankshaft sensor.
It shouldn't take you no more than, even if it's your first time or a novice doing it, it shouldn't take you no more than 10 minutes to change that sensor in the car. All right. Again, this is Phil from Astro Auto Repairs. Take it easy.